Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to switch Instagram accounts in Threads. So, if you have multiple Instagram accounts, you can easily switch between the ones you've added to Threads. So, to start, open the Threads app on your device. So, once you're here, press and hold the profile icon in the bottom panel, just like so. Then select the desired account from the drop down list. Then the app will log out of the current account and open the selected profile. If you haven't added another account, just click Add Profile. Then add your username, email, or phone number and password. Then log in to your Instagram account. And once done, select that account, and that's it. So, if possible, you can use different devices or IP addresses for each account to reduce the risk of meta linking them. Next, ensure each account has a unique focus or audience to avoid coordinated activity that could trigger Meta's detection systems. So, constantly switching accounts on the same device may increase the risk of account restrictions. So, by following these steps and precautions, you can manage multiple Threads accounts safely while minimizing the risk of account linking or restrictions. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.